Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as promised, this is a video of me using my DIY whipped soap base. Let's jump right in. First, I added in some melted Kokum butter. I chose Kokum butter because it's not as greasy as cocoa butter or shea butter or even mango butter. It's more on the light side. So I chose Kokum butter, and it was my first time ever really experimenting with this butter. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in, grab my mixer, and thoroughly mix it. Next, I will add in my preservative. Here I'm using Optifen. I got mine from Brambleberry. Next, I will add in my vitamin E oil. This is to make sure our oils do not go rancid. You can also use rosemary oil if that's what you prefer. I added in poppy seeds, just to add in some color, some texture. And since this was a strawberry vanilla bean whipped soap scrub, I added in strawberry and vanilla fragrance oil. The poppy seeds were to make the scrub look like vanilla bean. I added in my white granulated sugar. This is the best exfoliant for sugar scrubs or scrubs in general because it's nice and lightweight. The granules are round. They're not sharp like salt granules are. This is perfect for face, body, because the granules are not as rough. Next, I added in a little bit of a strawberry emulsion. I added this in for more of a strawberry smell, and it did give us a slight color, but I was going to add in some mica powder so I could have the color I actually wanted. This was purely just for scent. So I mixed this up with my blender. You see how the poppy seeds makes it appear as if the vanilla bean? That's what I was going for. Then I added in some gold sparkle mica. Look at it glisten. This stuff gets everywhere every time I use it. But it's pretty and I always think about it, so I always have to add it into something or other. So I added in a little bit of the gold sparkle mica, and it's not going to really change the color, but in the final product you do see the small gold reflex because it is like a shimmering mica. This is the rose mica that I was talking about earlier. I was going to add in to get it that nice rosy strawberry color, strawberry vanilla, so I wanted it to be pink, not too red, but pink. I thought it came out being a nice color. I did end up adding more mica powder because the base diluted down the color so much that the pink was not as fluorescent as I wanted it to be. So I went ahead and I added in a little bit more rose mica to brighten and deepen up the color. Now that we have all of our ingredients fully incorporated into our whip scrub, all that's left to do is package. I chose these 8-ounce containers with the wide mouth on it for easy access when it came to using your whipped sugar scrub. I tried to use the spatula to fill this container up and failed doing that with one hand, so I had to fill it up off camera and come back. But now I'm adding in some little Dazzle Bears. I haven't released these yet, but I am working on a recipe for my little bath melt Dazzle Bears. This scrub smells so good. Thank you guys for watching this. Stay tuned to the end for a test of the scrub and the lather test. This scrub felt so good on my hands. It wasn't drying, it was really moisturizing, and I like this better than the bases that I would get at most stores. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please comment and please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.